Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to customize a folder in Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the folder you want to customize. So this folder right here, simply select the folder you want to customize. I'm going to use this folder right here. Then you have to right click on the folder, then simply navigate to properties. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to customize, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on change icon, and it takes you right here. Then there are so many types of icons right here that you can simply change to. So for instance, I'm going to select this particular icon, and then what I need to do here is to simply come back here and hit on OK, and then click on apply, then click on OK, and boom, you have it right here. As you can see, we have this folder here drastically changed into a tree. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change or customize a folder file in Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.